How to buy Polygon on Trust Wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Polygon in easy fast way on Trust Wallet. So first thing you do is you go to Trust Wallet like this is the home page as you see. Now if you want to buy the Polygon, you have to click on buy here and then go down. You will find Polygon. If you didn't find it, you should search for it in the search bar like this and then click on it. Now choose the amount of money that you want to invest on this coin, like $500 for example, and then click next here, and it will take you to the third party website that you can pay on it. Then choose your country here, let's say Canada, then click proceed here and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.